Honorable Isko Moreno Domagoso.
Thank you. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Excited about it?
Yes!
Hi. Hello. Merry Christmas. Gusto niyo ba ng pamasko? Love ko kayo. To our representative from Department of Tourism, which is a partner of the City of Manila, OIC Regional Director Ms. Catherine Agustin, and OIC Assistant Regional Director Ivanovich Agote, at ang ating Director of Manila Tourism, former Congresswoman Director Crystal Baguetti. And our Vice Mayor Chief Atienza. The Executive Committee led by General Manager Richard Masilin, vendors and the media and the guests, mga bata, at to the Sheraton family at sa ating Operation Smile Philippines. You know, very close sa akin ng first term ko. Nag-opera yan sila sa Santa Ana Hospital. But it's a good start at itong katulad nitong mga naghahanap buhay sa Manila ay natututo at muling nabubuhay ang pagkakawang gawa sa kapwa. Palakpakan natin ang siya lang. Ito na, gusto nyo kong gayahin. Ako na, nangutang na ako kay Vice Mayor ng 1,000. Wala na pa ako, pero they started because I do believe in what Operation Smile is doing. Putting a smile on every children or individual in the world, not only in the country. But today is Christmas, season of Christmas, season of loving and caring and giving. So anong gift na gusto ninyo? Anong gift? Sayang. 1+1. Mabilis mo pa na isagot eh. But to the parents of these kids, the community, I think there will be brighter days for the City of Manila this quarter, and especially next year, wherein the country will host the ASEAN. And Manila will be very busy working hand in hand with DOT for next year as a host of the ASEAN. Kaya maraming magandang mangyayari at kami ni Vice Mayor Chief at 10 ng inyong mga opisyal ay malugod na pinaalam na yawa ang Diyos, the City of Manila will recover with your help. Kaya to the Sheraton family, thank you for doing and continue doing business in the city and giving opportunity for our people here in the City of Manila. Rest assured that there will be certainty and in our own little way to make Manila pleasant and safe for those who will come to this establishment, visit or come daily in and out of the city, and those who are living in the city. So to the people of Manila, Merry Christmas. At sana maisa puso natin ang diwa ng Pasko. Ang diwa ng Pasko ay pagmamahalan at pagbibigayan. Ano ba sa French ang I love you? Ha? Jitan? Je vous aime. So to everyone, come visit Sheraton. It's a good place to spend your staycation, and especially during the season. Meron sila magagandang offer. Ito pa yung paborito kong pasyalan, just so you know. Alam niya ang mga staff dito. Tambayan ko to. For the past 4 months, never pa ako ulit nakapagkape dito. Because when I assumed the office, wala na akong ginawa kundi mag-abol ng lost opportunity for the City of Manila and the people of Manila for the last 3 years. But then again, moving on, always way forward, we're gonna do our best. Niyawa ang Diyos, makarecover tayo ulit. Huwag kayo mawala ng pag-asa. Marami na muling nagtitiwala na nag-negosyo sa lungsod ng Manila. To the people of Ermita Malate area, we started rejuvenating, relieve, revert, for good vibes in the community. Your city is going to invest in all other activities from Top Avenue to Calao, Cross Boulevard, up to Vito Cruz. That square community. Why natin ulit ang Ermita Malate area? Kaya, ulit ko, huwag natin kalimutan ang diwa ng Pasko, pagmamahalan at pagbibigayan. Now, if I'm not asking too much, I think that it's high time also to do something for our country, in our city, and the world. In New Year's Eve, let's pray for peace and stability of the world. Tingnan niyo yung bata sa kanila. Tayo may mga edad, marami na tayong karanasan. Yung iba masama, yung iba masaya. Karanasan tayong tagumpay at pagkakadapa. But the children right beside this area deserves a peaceful community with their life. And, they don't deserve animosities within the community. Yan naman ang atin na lang. Gawin natin maging maayos ang kasalukuyan para ang mga batang ito ay magkaroon ng maayos at mapayapang maliwalas na komunidad. Let's do that for them. So muli, as your mayor, I'm happy to see and serve to all of you. A special shout-out lang, pasensya na ng mga bata, mas spoiled sa akin yung mga lola ninyo. Lahat ng senior citizen na nandito, I love you. Paborito ko yung mga yan, lola ninyo. So mag-iingat kayo, ayawan Diyos, kayo walang pag-asa, makararaos din tayo. Let's do our best and let God do the rest. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year sa inyong lahat. Pagpalain nawa kayo ng Pedro. Manila, God first. Thank you.
Thank you, Mayor. May we please have you stay here as we call on our VIPs, our Vice Mayor, our General Manager, and our Executive Committee to join us here at the front to begin our tree lighting ceremony.
Kasama po kami. Atras tayo ng bata eh, boss. Atras tayo. Bossing, atras tayo konti para mas maganda view. Sure. Tapos pa rin, Roy. Kasi atras tayo. Sabayan. Atras pa tayo, di kaya.
Everyone, let's all count down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Merry Christmas!
pa to.